Hey, привет, and welcome to my channel, RussianMatreshka. And today we got to the letter number 15, and that's bukva N. Bukva N. In Old Church Slavonic, bukva N was called nash, which means our or ours. This letter is based on the Greek letter nu. Remember, a lot of Cyrillic letters are based on the Greek letters. Okay, let's start our chart with top 10 most used Russian words that start with the letter N. And the first one is the negative particle не, which means not, не. For example, он не на работе. He is not at work. Он не на работе. Moving on, word number 2. It is preposition na. Na has multiple different meanings. It means on, at, onto, and to. For example, он не на работе. I used the same sentence as I used in the last example, and now you know two words. Those are the top two words that we use in Russian language. Не and на. How do we use it? In an example on. Яблоко на столе. An apple on a table. Moving on to a very important word / conjunction. No means but. You see, the first three is не на но. Не на но. Maybe that's how you can remember it. The top three words that start with the letter N is не на но. All right? Maybe that's a trick. I don't know. Use what you can. Make it fun to remember these words. Use them in sentences. Practice makes it perfect. Okay. No, but. Let's look at an example. Но это не правда. Again, we just used two new words that we just learned. No, but, это не правда. But this is not true. Okay, moving on to the word number 4. And it's our word наш. Just the one that I introduced you in the beginning. That's what N used to mean in the old Russian alphabet. Наш means our. And let's use it in this example. Это не наш дом. Again, не is not, наш is our. Can you guess the rest? Это не наш дом. This is not our house. And word number 5, нет. I think I don't need to show you any examples. I think everybody knows this one. And it means no. I'm actually really surprised it's only took the 5th place. I would have thought it was number 1 word. Live and learn. Word number 5, нет. No. And word number 6 is новый. Новый means new. Okay, let's look at this example. I'm gonna use the same example as before, just adding on, building on. Это наш новый дом. By the end of this lesson, you'll be really familiar with this word это. Very important word. We'll get to it later when we're looking at the letter but it's a good one to know while we're looking at these examples. Это наш новый дом. This is our new house. Word number 7 is надо. Надо. I'm gonna quickly tell you why I'm saying надо and not надо. Because letter O is really interesting one. It changes the way it sounds if it's stressed or not. So when we were looking at this word no, I said no because it was stressed. Here, надо, is stressed. So I'm saying надо. It's necessary. And an example. Надо говорить по-русски. It's necessary to speak Russian. Or не надо это делать. Don't do this. Не надо это делать. Moving on to number 8. Ничто, ничего. Okay, so it means the same thing. Both of those words means nothing, but they are used slightly different in a sentence. Let's look at both of them. We use ничто when it serves a purpose of a noun. And I'm going to teach you a very famous phrase that we Russians use a lot. Ничто не предвещало беды. Ничто не предвещало беды. Again, you see it's ничто that we are just learning now, and не. Не is not. We're drilling these words already, and we just learned them. So many examples. And the translation of this very popular phrase is nothing foreshadowed trouble, or there were no signs of trouble. Let's look at ничего. We use it again in negative sentences. Observe. Я не понимаю. I don't understand. Я не понимаю. We can throw ничего into it. It's in a genitive form. Я ничего не понимаю. I nothing understand. Like I don't understand nothing. And that nothing, we don't put it at the end. We tend to put it after я ничего не понимаю. You can also say я не понимаю ничего, but sounds better when you put it right after I. Я ничего не понимаю. Sounds stronger. Word number 9, getting close to the end of our list, is над. Над is above. Let's look at this example. I'm gonna use our word that I just introduced to you today, дом. Над домом. Above a house. Над домом. And the last word for this lesson is несколько. Несколько means a few. I'm gonna use the same word, дом, a house, to create an example. Несколько домов. A few houses. All right, well, let's quickly go through all of our words that we learned today. Word number 1 is не. Word number 2 is на. Word number 3 is но. Word number 4 is наш. Word number 5 is нет. Word number 6 is новый. Word number 7 is надо. Word number 8 is ничто or ничего. Word number 9 is над. And the last word is number 10 is несколько. Несколько. And I decided to throw in a little poem about letter N. Let's go. Носорог кричит друзьям. Букву N принес я вам. Букву N вам надо знать, чтобы Новый год встречать. Please drop me a note in the comments if you understood this little poem and if you recognize the words in it. There are a few that I introduced to you today. And if you enjoy these lessons, please show your support. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also please provide me some feedback so I can deliver on what you, my dear students, want to learn. All right, well, thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in my next video. Пока!